In this video, I will show you how to delete photos and videos in Google Photo. Make sure you watch the video to the end because every second gives step by step on how to delete photos and videos. Without wasting our time, download Google Photos app on Google Play Store. Click on Google Photos app. This will lead you to the main page of the app that comprises of 4 main features, at the bottom which are Photos, Album, Assistant, and Sharing. Album is the collection of photos and videos in a single places. Just look for photos and videos you want to delete, hold that items down, and some features will appear, in which you are allowed to delete more than one item at a time. If you want to delete more than one item, just be clicking on the photos or videos you want to delete. Look at the right-hand corner, there is Possession of Delete Image. Click on it, and a sliding dialog box will appear from the bottom. Click on Move to Trash. Every items you delete doesn't delete it permanently from your Google Photos. All deleted items is kept in trash for 60 days. That means, you may mistakenly delete your photos or videos, and you may want to use it back. To get all the deleted items back, go back to the main page of the Google Photos, and click on the 3 lines that appear at the top left-hand corner, and look for Trash. Click on Trash, and it will lead you to the new page, where all what you deleted is kept. Just make sure that all items here will store for 60 days, before it will permanently delete it from trash. In order to delete any photos or videos, make sure you back up your items very well, because if any items is deleted, you can able to restore it back, whenever you want to use it. How are you going to back up your photos and videos in Google Photos app? The link is in description below, that talks about step by step on how to do it. If you like this videos, make sure you subscribe, for you to be keeping updated every day. If you didn't, put your comment in the comment box below, and I will reply you back as I can. I will see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.